Hello friends, welcome back to another video, and today's video is on the topic iPhone 13 specification leak. So when will it launch, and what about the specification of the newly iPhone 13 series, and how many model will it launch, and what about the design and price of this iPhone 13 series. So in this video we're going to talk about what are the specifications, so watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So let's get started. Let's talk about the design of this newly iPhone 13 series. The iPhone 13 series may come with a quad camera setup, and it will also have the notch which will be smaller than the previous iPhone 12 series. Let's talk about specification. As you all know that Apple launches new processor every year, and this processor of the iPhone are very strong and the most powerful. So it may come with the new A15 Bionic chip, which is the successor of the latest A14 Bionic chip and the most powerful smartphone processor in the world. Let's talk about the specifications of camera. As you earlier saw in the design that it had a quad camera setup. The rumor says that the aperture size will change from f1.6 to f1.5, so more light. And rumor says that it will be the first iPhone to have an in-display fingerprint sensor. Let's talk about the model. What will be the model? The model will be same as the iPhone 12 series. It might have the iPhone 13 mini, 13 Pro and the 13 Pro Max, which is the highest and the most expensive iPhone 13 series. Let's talk about the price in India. In India, the price of the iPhone 13 series in India might start from Rs69,999 to Rs149990. The most expensive one will be the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's talk about the launch date, and it is sure that it will launch in 2021, as you all know that the iPhone launches every new year. So this was a video on the specification leaks of Apple iPhone 13, and hit the thumbs up button if you like the video, and share this video with your friends and relatives, and comment me down what will be the specifications, and do hit the subscribe button if you are new to the channel. Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I will meet you in another video. Thanks for watching.